couple of years ago, I had made a video about making your Yeti hopper into a backpack. So I talked about the straps I got and the paracord and the carabiners. So I got that put together, and after that I made an Etsy store recently actually, where if making it is not your thing, then I'll make it for you and ship it to you. So I've had a couple of questions about the carabiners that I use. So initially I was using these orange ones that I liked. You know, they kind of went with the motif of my hopper. But I don't know, the orange ones were getting harder to find, and I think they raised the price on them. So I'm no longer using the orange ones. A couple weeks ago I made a video about how I had accidentally driven over my hopper here. You know, it happens. So so I drove over it and this popped out. So I've been using this number 2 Nite zest binder ever since, with no problem whatsoever. Right now there's about 17 pounds of ice and drinks in here, and as you can see, it holds up just fine. I don't recall there being a weight limit on the packaging for the number 2 ones. I don't recall that. For the number 4 ones that I was using on the straps, I think it was graded at a 25 pound. So yeah, so I've been using this here with no problem. But like I said, I'm not using the orange ones anymore for the straps that I make and send out, just because they got too expensive. So what I am using is the number 4s and the number 3s. I'm sort of testing out the number 3s as well, because I feel like in the back it'll give you a little bit more, I don't know, it'll be a little less back there. So the number 4, I'm using metal ones and plastic ones. So I've started using the plastic ones mainly right here, just so there's not a metal, you know, there's not a metal edge going through there or whatnot. Maybe it won't wear it down as much. So I've started doing that more, and I use the metal ones down here on these. All right, so this one is the Nite number 4. It's graded at 75 pounds. This one's the Nite number 3, graded at 25 pounds. These are both metal. So the top ones, I do use plastic. I use the black plastic ones now. Those don't have a weight grade. I was going to put this video through a big convoluted charade of going through different little little things here and there, but I decided to just get to the point. So here's a 100-pound heavy bag, and here is one of the black plastic S binders that I use for the backpack straps. So there's 4 S binders for the backpack straps, and here's the paracord that I use. So if there's any concern about it being strong enough, it'll hold. Okay. Now with one of these, you don't want to jerk it or anything like that. This is stably holding 100 pounds. I'm not recommending that you go hang gliding or rock climbing or anything we used to, you know, watch Dan Cortez tell us about. Was it Dan or Dave? I can't remember. But anyway, there's the carabiner. It's going to hold up for you. So there's 4 of those. It's in my Etsy shop, or you can make it yourself. I've got the video, which I'll put up at the end here, about making it yourself, or in the description there will be a link to the Etsy page. Also, you can get cool paintings like this. Well, this one particularly, you have to live in the Triangle, North Carolina area. It's just too big to ship. But yeah. All right. See you later.